to Aesthetic TV. I'm Stuart Brazell. The trend of non-surgical solutions to cosmetic concerns is one that we have spoken about a lot here on Aesthetic TV. And we've interviewed many different professionals with a range of expertise and approaches, as well as visiting some of the top aesthetic practices in the U.S. Today we have a very special treat and a very special guest. I'm joined by Dr. Desmer Destang of the Dermalogics and the Caribbean island nation of St. Lucia. And thank you so much. Welcome to Aesthetic TV.
Thank you so much, Stuart. It is absolutely wonderful being here with you today.
So besides being a practice located in paradise, I understand that the Dermalogics Clinic is a very special place indeed, offering a wide range of the very latest and best in non-surgical and anti-aging treatments to your patients. Can you tell me a little bit about your background and training and how you started your practice?
Well, my initial training is actually in orthodontics. So from all the way back then, my interest has always been very much in the field of aesthetics, especially facial aesthetics. And maybe about 8 years ago, which is when my interest really started, I saw some amazing transformations of faces that had been sculpted with botox and fillers. And at that point in time, I decided that that was one of the things that I wanted to do and I wanted to learn a lot more about.
I understand you've had a lot of training and certifications in the U.S.
Yes, it's been really important to me that my level remains on par with clinics that are in the U.S. So it's been a mission of mine to make sure that I've been trained by some of the best that are in the field of aesthetic medicine and dermatology. So I've had training and education with some of the most renowned professionals in the field. For example, Dr. Joe Nyamtu, also Dr. Zeno Baji. So it's been important to me that my patients are able to trust that I have done the best that I could in terms of getting really good certification and proper education in aesthetic dermatology.
Absolutely. It's so important to know that your patients can trust that they are getting the best level of care and that their treatments are being properly administered so that they can really feel safe and know that they are getting the best possible result from a procedure. Don't you agree?
I absolutely agree. And as I was saying before, standardization in the field of aesthetic medicine is very, very important. So the fact that I have kept up to date with what's going on in the field of aesthetic medicine, it means that whatever it is being offered in the States, patients could feel very comfortable knowing that we are extremely up to date with what's going on. And our treatments, you know, the products that we use and everything else, they're all world class.
So I'm sure our viewers are wondering, what kind of services and products do you offer?
Well, services, we do a lot of facial sculpting with Botox and dermal fillers. We use Juvederm, we use Restylane. Also, we do a lot of microdermabrasions, chemical peels. And you do find that with our skin types, the darker skin and the mixed skin types, we have a lot of patients with acne. We also have a lot of patients with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And a lot of the treatments that we do are geared towards treating these things. With our acne patients, we also do a lot of light therapy with LED lights and a lot of medical dermal rolling, which we have been getting amazing results with. So we pretty much do just about everything. Laser treatments, we do also a lot of laser hair removal. In the Caribbean population, we also have a lot of the lighter skinned people that have been exposed to sun for a long time, and their sun damage is just starting to come through. And with patients like that, we do IPL treatments. We get very good results with these. So pretty much the full range of laser treatments, we also offer these.
Wow, that is impressive. It is so much under one roof, and it sounds like I could clearly spend a lot of time there.
We also do a really fabulous weight loss program. And one of the reasons why our program is so successful, we ensure that we put a lot of discipline into it. So we do a lot of educating, and we also teach our patients how to eat and how to maintain the results afterwards. So our long-term success rates have been excellent.
And I also understand that the training of your staff is extremely important.
It is. The same way that I have made sure that my training has been on par with what is available in the US, for my staff has also been very important because I've had to train my staff essentially from scratch. So everything that they have done is essentially above and beyond what is required in the field of aesthetic medicine. So yes, I do have exceptionally well-trained staff.
I understand that patients in your region have special needs related to their mixed skin types. What skincare products do you offer your patients?
Well, it's been very important to me that I offer brands that are internationally recognized and world-renowned. So I do carry the Obagi medical line, and so far we're the only clinic in the Caribbean that carries that line. The Obagi medical line, it's such a fabulous line and is very versatile because we're able to treat a wide range of skin problems. So we're able to treat acne cases with it, we're able to treat hyperpigmentation with it, and they've recently launched the new Obagi medical facial. So it's a signature facial, and we've just introduced it into our clinic, and we've tweaked it a little by adding a little bit of our ultrasound technology into it. So we're really excited about that. In addition to Obagi Medical, there is a wonderful line called Replenix that we found works exceptionally well on our mixed skin tones. And I'm very proud to say that our clinic was one of those that was chosen to be a testing center. And we've been testing the peel specially created for darker skin, and we've been getting really amazing results with it. Our patients absolutely love it. They're seeing wonderful results with it. And we just carry products that we know that if somebody from any part of the world comes into our clinic, they're going to instantly recognize the brands. They're going to instantly recognize the fact that we do carry very good quality products in our clinic.
And I understand you also have a great makeup line?
Yes, we've actually adopted a brand new line. It is a small niche line, but what we found is that the quality of the makeup has been amazing, and we've been able to introduce it to a lot of our patients, including those that have acne, because it is a very pure line. And in addition to knowing that it's safe, that we could use it on the skin of our patients, the colors are also really vibrant. And in the Caribbean, I think it's really important to us that we have colors, colors that are going to pop the eyes, colors that are going to pop the lips. So in addition to doing the medical things that are going to make women look beautiful, it's also really exciting that we have a makeup line to externally make women feel so much better about themselves.
And I'd like to ask you, Dr. Destang, are there specialties in your practice that are particular to the Caribbean, and are most of your patients from the Caribbean?
The majority of them are from the Caribbean, with a lot of darker and mixed skin tones. We do also have an expatriate population that we have, that in what we call the snowbirds, that are in and out of the islands, so 6 months on, 6 months off. And it is essentially a very mixed population. And when you have populations that are as mixed as that, you see a variety of aesthetic skin conditions. So in the darker skin tones, we get a lot of, we get melasma, which although is very difficult to treat, we have wonderful products that are able to control our melasma cases. Also, we have a lot of acne in the darker skin tones. And as I mentioned before, we also have a lot of sun damage. Mm-hmm. So we do have certain things that are unique to our region because of our location and the fact that we have such a mixed population.
I have to say, all this talk of the Caribbean islands has got me thinking of visiting your clinic myself. It just sounds the perfect way to spend a vacation and to get a little much needed pampering.
It certainly is very beautiful down there, Stuart, and as soon as you're ready, we look forward to having you.
Can't wait. For all of our viewers out there, to learn more about the Illumines Clinic or to schedule your visit, go to illumines.com. Until next time, I'm Stuart Brazell. Thanks for joining us, and remember to stay tuned and stay beautiful.